Alright, what's up guys? I'm currently muted, but here is every single build that I have. Alright, let's get into the video. First up, I have the prototype arm from Poppy Playtime, which is a very well-known horror game that Chapter 5 just released like a few days ago, I'm pretty sure. And I made the prototype's arm. And it works. But yeah, next build I have a warplane, which looks like this. Hold up. Let me get it off my hip slot. Yeah. And it's very cool. It has some bombs on it I can shoot out. It's basically like a war jet for war codes. Next invention I have the grab pack, also from Poppy Playtime. This one took me a while to figure out and get because I had to literally find a blue modded grappling hook. But yeah, and my final build, which is for an upcoming video I'll tell you a little bit about. This is a wheelchair. And I'm hinting towards I'm gonna do a racing video with you guys once I hit 50 subs. And this is gonna be my car. I'm gonna do a car racing video with all of you guys. Yeah. And if you question, yes, it works. Hold up. Let me go in third person. Whee! Anyways, goodbye everyone. I'll see you all in the next video. Yeah.